see, I was looking up corn headers, wasn't I? For the TA560. Just say TVI. What's this now? Alright. There we go. Now let's see here. For some reason my internet is not sufficient to broadcast the gameplay, so we're just gonna record it. We're just gonna record it because I don't know what to do. Kind of getting annoying. I haven't done this before, but for whatever reason, not wanting to work. Says I'm still on air, but I don't know. It told me I wasn't fast enough, so we'll see, I guess. If not, we're recording it, so I'll come back. Yep. Getting his canola harvested. See what we can do here. Wonder what it costs to buy a weeder. Keep looking in here and then I lose. There it is. Weeder 18,000 for the smallest one. I don't think I have a fertilizer spreader, so I can't spread a pesticide. Looks like it's only in the first stage of finished growing, so we won't lose it to withering. Run over here in the grain cart for a minute. What? No way. Huh. If I got any closer, it would stop it. That's nuts. Huh. I can't reach the darn trailer. You'd have to be that close. That's nuts. It would probably work on the corn header, but not gonna work on this. Unless the grain cart kind of went out more towards the top and you could barely reach it. I wonder if there's an option to get a longer, what do you call that, spout? I don't know what you call that. Auger? Wrong one. Wheel brand, no. No way to change the size of that spout. Huh. I think you could get an extension on it. Darn it. It's crazy that that's not wide enough. It just barely goes to the end of the... Barely goes to the end of the head there. Maybe if you came at an angle or something. But then you're driving away from it while it's driving. That's just crazy. I've never had this combine, so I didn't know that was an issue. Let's look at my weeding options. That's pretty big. I think you have to weed in the first stage? Second stage? I'm not sure. So it'll be 38,000 for the smallest there. 35,000. Well, you could do 30,000 for just for now, and you wouldn't have to get the extra tank, but it's quite a bit more than 18,000. At least that weeder's 9 meters wide. Go empty this out and see how much we make. Guess I can get my pickup truck and get it over there. Under the head. So if we turn it around, maybe it'll load better. Definitely gotta go far to get to the dump spot or point or whatever you want to call it, sell point. Oh, well, I'm stuck. Took that corner a little too wide. So it's gotta be in here somewhere. Right between there. Maybe it'll back into that. Well, maybe I can't. Oh. Just gonna have to try and turn into there. Don't think I'm gonna make it though. Barely. Got 8,000. 7,900. That was the problem. Let's drive in their backyard. Oh. I think I'm stuck in the tree. This was a bad idea. I have to back in off of that other road next time. I have to remember that, because this ain't working so well. Oh darn. There's like a hole right there and a bunch of water. I'm really stuck. There we go. That would get us out of here. Stick situation. Okay, now I gotta claim my reward. Collect. I'm gonna go harvest my own field. If I can get out here. I think next time I'm just gonna back off the road here, because the place is kinda tiny. Let's see if I put it on this way, maybe it'll help. Don't have a clue. Does it look like it's supposed to go on there like that? I don't know. No? Hmm. That's just my pickup truck. That's not the... Didn't do anything back here. Unfold car. That doesn't do anything either. Hmm. Yeah, hopefully it stays there, he is. Lights are flickering. We might lose power. If all of a sudden everything dies, I guess you'll know. Stop. Oh hey, it stayed. Not like last time. Just park in the hedgerow. Still don't have enough for weeder, but start harvesting my canola and weeds. I didn't have, or not canola, soybeans. Didn't have a didn't have a fertilizer spreader. And I don't have a weeder, so it is what it is. Access to the next field. Huh. Well, that's pretty cool. It's not doing too crazy there with the yield. See what it is at the other part of the fields here. Hope everybody's day's going good. Y'all able to hang out, enjoy your time. Just gonna have a chill video game playing, whatever you wanna call it. Guess it didn't matter that I didn't have fertilizer, because soybeans don't need fertilizer anyway, much at all. I don't think I'm gonna make it back over to the entrance there to get unloaded, because already 77%. Maybe. Getting into some real high growth stuff here. Oh, so close. Pull off here. Nope, the wrong way. So we made about 12,000 off of that. Let's take a shortcut. 12,000 off of that contract there. That's not bad. See if we'll be good and use the gate here. Got it pitched down so I can't get. Darn it. Come on, you're killing me. Can't get to the darn thing. The combine's on a hill here. Can I unload? Come on. I guess I don't like that, huh? What's the problem? Really? check price of soybeans real quick. 1710. Let's check the didn't start with any grains in the bin, looks like. Didn't give me. Well, there's corn. Oh, there's a little bit of something. Well, that's about all the time I have for now, so hope you guys enjoy, and we'll catch you next time.